the world's first hydrogen brick. Subscribe and hit the bell for more notifications on our latest videos. The London Science Museum is currently home to the world's first 100% hydrogen-fired bricks. As part of an exhibition on the energy revolution, a bench made of high bricks demonstrates a possible future for low-carbon brick manufacturing. The Mitchell-Mersch Group's high brick demonstrates between 81 to 84% less carbon emissions from 3 green hydrogen firings versus natural gas. The group has won a bid to the Department for Business, Energy and Industrial Strategy to conduct a feasibility study to replace natural gas with hydrogen in the brick-making process. The first study will explore testing of specific infrastructure components to prove hydrogen firing capability and determine any impact on overall quality, brick integrity, or aesthetics. Data will be collected and analysed to ascertain any effect to process temperatures or stability. The bricks will then be compared against control bricks, produced using 100% natural gas, to ensure they meet all technical, aesthetic, and characteristic requirements. Independent laboratory testing will then determine their durability and structural performance. To learn more about the project, read the full article in our energy management category.
Read more at TWinFM.com.